Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best nostalgia cotton candy machine. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best nostalgia cotton candy machine for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. For anyone who has fond memories of enjoying cotton candy at fairs, carnivals, or amusement parks, the nostalgia cotton candy machine offers a way to bring that same delicious experience to your own home. With its retro-inspired design and user-friendly features, this machine makes it easy to create fluffy, sugary clouds of cotton candy that are perfect for any occasion. Whether you're planning a birthday party, hosting a movie night, or just satisfying a sweet tooth, this machine is a fun and practical choice for candy lovers of all ages. Design and features. The nostalgia cotton candy machine is designed with both aesthetics and functionality in mind. Its bright, cheerful colors and retro styling instantly transport you back to childhood memories of carnival games and festive events. But it's not just about looks, the machine is built for performance. It has a large spinning head and a built-in safety feature that ensures the device runs smoothly and safely. This cotton candy machine operates by melting sugar and spinning it into thin strands that collect on the included cones or into bowls. It is compatible with regular granulated sugar, or you can use special cotton candy sugar, which comes in a variety of flavors and colors to add a personalized touch to your sweet treats. One of the standout features of the nostalgia cotton candy machine is its simple operation. With just a few quick steps, you can start spinning your cotton candy. The machine heats up quickly, allowing you to make your first batch in just a few minutes. Whether you're making a single cone or multiple servings, it's easy to get the perfect amount of fluffy cotton candy in no time. Performance and ease of use. When it comes to performance, the nostalgia cotton candy machine delivers on its promises. It consistently produces light, airy cotton candy that is soft and sweet, just like the kind you'd find at a carnival. While it may take a little practice to get the hang of using it, most users find that the machine is straightforward and easy to clean. The spinning head is removable, making it easy to wipe down after use. The included sugar scoop helps ensure the right amount of sugar is used, so you don't waste any. Additionally, this cotton candy machine doesn't take up much space, making it perfect for smaller kitchens or party setups. Its compact design also makes it easy to store when not in use. Value for money. When compared to other cotton candy machines on the market, the nostalgia cotton candy machine provides excellent value for money. It's priced affordably, especially considering its performance and the joy it brings to family and friends. If you enjoy making your own cotton candy, or if you're looking for a fun activity for kids, this machine is an investment that will pay off in countless hours of enjoyment. The nostalgia cotton candy machine is an excellent choice for anyone who loves cotton candy and wants to recreate the experience at home. With its retro design, ease of use, and reliable performance, it's the perfect addition to any party or family gathering. Whether you're making cotton candy for a special event or just indulging in a sweet treat, this machine provides a simple, fun, and nostalgic way to enjoy one of the most beloved carnival snacks. Thanks for watching the video.